Hello, I'm Stephen Bruder, Planning Manager at the New Jersey State Agriculture Development Committee. In this video, we're going to go over the SADC's new Soil Protection Web Map application. This application was designed to allow individual preserve farm landowners and preserve farm easement holders the ability to see how a preserve farm has been mapped for the application of the SADC's new soil protection regulations. If you're a preserve farm landowner, by now in the mail, you should have received a letter. On that letter, you'll notice highlighted in yellow, each individual farm will have a farm map ID number. To access your farm in the web map application, you'll need that farm map ID number from the letter. To access the web application itself, we'll start with the SADC webpage. This is the home screen of the SADC's website. See right at the top here, there's a section called Soil Protection Standards. Click here to access the Soil Protection Standards Rules webpage. To access the map, you'll see this link highlighted, Find My Map. Use your mouse with a pointer to click on this Find My Map. And it'll bring up the web map application. The first thing you'll see on the web map application is this splash page. The splash page gives some basic instructions on how to use the web map and what the web map is all about. Be able to exit the splash page by, again, clicking on the Agree button. The next thing you'll see in the right-hand corner of the screen is this query function. This query tool is where you will insert your farm map ID number from the letter. This box here, select the box and insert your farm map ID number. We'll use this example farm for demonstration. You insert that. You can either hit the enter button or click on the apply button. When the query tool executes, you'll notice that the web map will have zoomed to the farm of interest. All of the preserved farms in the region will be highlighted in brown on the map, and all of the individual land use features that were mapped on the preserved farm that you input will be outlined in black. You'll also notice that some features may be highlighted in red as well. Those features highlighted in red or shown in red are features that the SADC has mapped as disturbed land use features. You'll also notice on the right-hand part of the screen that each of the query results will be on this table. You can scroll down to identify each of the land use features. Note as well that land use category disturbance will be shown in red, and categories shown as not disturbance will be clear with the black outline. You'll notice as well that some of the data in the query function, you'll be able to see what the SADC has categorized each land use feature as, in what land use type, the category, disturbance or not disturbance, and the feature size. You'll also see some information about the total farm itself, total farm acres, the total amount of calculated disturbed acres on the farm, and the percent of the farm that disturbance represents. These query results have been sorted to show disturbance first, and then by feature size. If you want to look on the map, you can also use this pointer function to click on an individual feature and see how it was categorized by the SADC. In this example, this area highlighted in blue was considered agricultural production. You'll see on this farm, we also have some wetlands and marsh, which is not disturbance, obviously. Woodland, which is categorized as not disturbance. And you can zoom in and out of the map as well. You can either use the wheel on your mouse, or you can use this plus and minus button. Let's zoom into the farmstead complex. On this map, you'll see the SADC classified this as a building or a structure, which is categorized as disturbance. We have a paved driveway, which is categorized as disturbance. In this area, we have identified as curtilage, which is categorized as not disturbance. I'll note as well that this map, the base map aerial of this was shown as a 2020 aerial map, and this is the same aerial image that the SADC used to digitize the features on these farms. Now let's look at some of the other tools on the map. If you go to the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the map has a legend. The map also has a tool that allows you to add data to the map. You can use the search function to add additional layers to the map. In the upper left, we also have a tool that allows you to take measurements. You use this tool, it allows you to measure an area that you can choose whether you would like to use acres, kilometers, yards, feet. Let's choose acres. Say you want to measure an area on a farm, you would use your pointer to click, and click, add all the vertices around and describe the area that you would like to measure. You're also able to measure linear features. And again, you could change the measurements to be yards or feet or miles. The web map also has a draw tool. And this draw tool, you can draw features on the map. You can insert points, lines, arrows, triangles, text. Let's try this draw tool. Similar to the way you measure area, use your pointer and click to draw a feature on the map. This green color is the default color, and you would double click to complete the drawing. You can also change the colors or the outlines by selecting any of these choices. So say you wanted to share this map or print it out. You can keep the drawing on there if you wanted to show that or highlight an area on the map, or you can hit this button to clear the drawing. So to print the map, use this print tool. Click on that. And then it allows you to change the name of the map title, allows you to change the format of the map. By default, we have it here as creating a PDF. Once you hit the print button, it'll generate a PDF of the map zoomed into the area that you currently have the map zoomed. Once that generates, you just double click and it'll bring up a PDF map of the area that you're zoomed into on that farm. So I'll also note that the web map application is available on any web browser, so you can use it on your computer. You can use it on your phone or tablet as well, and so that it allows for that. So I hope this video is helpful. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, my name is Stephen Bruder, and I can be contacted directly at my desk at 609-913-6155. 6562. Thank you.